How long can a human stay awake continuously? 264 hours, 11 days. How many different scents can the human nose detect? What fruit contains 25 air, making it float in water? Apple. Which is the brightest star in the night sky? Celsius. Which city was the capital of India for just one day? Allahabad. Who had 39 babies and 94 children? Snail. Which bird never set foot on the ground? Which creature never sleeps? How many teeth does a mosquito have? 47. How many teeth does a crocodile have? 82. In which country do people commonly eat snacks? China. Which bird is the world does not have wings? Kiwi. Which organism can live even after its head is cut off for weeks? Cockroach. Which animal cries like a human when injured? Bear. Which animal has blue blood? Octopus. Which country first started using paper currency? China. Which is the heaviest flower weighing up to 10 kg? Rapalisa. Which is the longest gas in the world? Bamboo. Which animal has the largest head in size of core? Blue whale. How many players are there in a kabaddi team? 7. What kind of food never spoils even after thousands of years? Honey. Which bone in human body is stronger than concrete? Femur. What is the height of Qutb Minar? 72.5 meters. Which animal is called the sheep of the desert? Camel. Which part of human body continues to grow from birth to old age? Nose and ear. What is the maximum distance a human can shout? 180 meters. How many days after birth does a human baby learn to laugh? 1 month. Which country has no agriculture? Singapore. Which organism has it served in its head? Which plant has a day longer than its year? Venus. Which animal cannot move backward? Kangaroo. Why does a judge break the nib of a pen after awarding a death sentence? To show no one can undo the judgment. What is the world's smallest bird? Which country has largest number of post offices? India. How long can a frog stay underwater without breathing? 7 hours. Which element burns even in water? Sodium and potassium. Zona Chena. How long does sunlight take to reach Earth? 8 minutes 20 seconds. Which country has 3 capitals?